telling local affiliates in the state a tornado did hit a marijuana farm. They have not said if anyone was injured.
And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
Conditions ripe for severe weather in Oklahoma. A big-time severe weather evening taking place and still happening, too, with some of that shower and thunderstorm activity now lifting up into Wichita and also into Missouri, the same area that was hit just last week with a tornado near Andover. I'll come back to this low pressure and talk about how it ties into our forecast as we go into the weekend. But for now, let's take a look at what we have outside, and it's really nice. It's actually kind of cool, but refreshingly cool, not cold. The State House looks absolutely gorgeous. The winds, barely moving the flags. We're taking steps forward right now to have a great day tomorrow. Temperatures today, mid to upper 50s, falling back low 50s. Not much more of a drop tonight. You'll settle in the upper 40s and low 50s by morning. And overall, not really all that cold. We're clearing things out. And therefore, by the time you wake up tomorrow, boom, pop sunshine and enjoy. Because those temperatures are going to take off. When you actually get a day of sunshine from start to finish, wonderful things can happen, especially if the winds are out of the north at 5 to 10. So what happens is temperatures go up into the 70s. How about 73 in Pawtucket tomorrow? That's nice. 65 degrees in Newport, 65 in Westerly. And I know at the coast or at the beaches, you may feel like you're getting jaded a bit on the temperature, but still 60s and 70s, really nice for this time of year. Southeastern Mass, plenty of sunshine for you. The exception for coolness will be like Marshfield, eastern Plymouth County with some north winds, a little cooler with the sea breeze, but everybody else in the 60s and 70s, and tomorrow looks great. Let's go back to this low pressure right here, right? The one that's bringing severe weather to Oklahoma and Kansas for this evening. Eventually, it's going to eject east, and as it does, it moves into the Ohio Valley. Then it makes a move to the east coast. Now, it's part of our forecast, but we do not have to deal with any kind of severe weather. We're not going to have tornadoes here. We're not going to have thunderstorms here, but we could have a prolonged period of rain for the first half of the weekend. I talked about this yesterday. I kept adding clouds. I kept adding some showers for Saturday, and now I feel like Saturday is pretty much a rainy day. And the why is because this low pressure will pull out of the Ohio Valley and move to the east coast. What happens is we have some showers Friday night. That was already in the forecast. But this low is still close enough that we still have a period of rain for Saturday for areas mainly south of the Mass Pike. That does not look like it's going to come to an end until Sunday when our low pressure moves a little bit south. Winds are still northeasterly. Watch this arrow here. That will keep temperatures cool, but at least we're able to get sunshine for Mom's Day. And as we go into the day on Sunday, a little breezy, and it will be like 50s to near 60. But notice how close this low pressure is. It really likes us, wants to come back. So as it kind of spins around on Monday and Tuesday, it tries to throw the rain back in. I don't think it will be successful, but it keeps the northeasterly winds intact. What that means for you at home means it keeps it rather cool. And anytime a little cloud cover works back into the area, whether or not these showers hit or not, is going to keep temperatures down. Not until Wednesday when this low tracks south, we'll be able to turn that arrow more southerly, and that's when the temperatures come up. And they come up so much that 60s turn into 70s by the middle of next week. And eventually, FYI, by the end of next week, those 70s could turn into 80s as we go into the following Friday and Saturday. Ian.
Thank you, Jeff. 2 playoff hockey games to get to.